Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Kenworth W900 Camper Motorhome, an absolute beast that combines classic trucking power with high-end luxury. If you've ever dreamed of taking the open road in style without sacrificing performance, this is the rig for you. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Camper Motorhome keeps its legendary long-nose design, but adds modern refinements. The chrome grille, LED headlights, and aerodynamic upgrades make it look as aggressive as ever while improving fuel efficiency. The extended sleeper cab seamlessly transitions into the fully integrated camper section, giving it a sleek yet imposing presence. Under the hood, this motorhome is powered by a 15-liter Cummins X15 engine, pushing out 605 horsepower and 2,050 lb-ft of torque. That means you get serious pulling power, whether you're towing a trailer or climbing steep mountain roads. And thanks to the upgraded 18-speed automated manual transmission, shifting is smooth and effortless, making long drives more enjoyable. Stepping inside, you'll find a true luxury home on wheels. The interior is designed with premium materials, featuring real wood cabinetry, leather upholstery, and state-of-the-art technology. The spacious living area includes a fully equipped kitchen, with a convection oven, induction cooktop, and a full-size refrigerator. There's even a dedicated dining area that doubles as a workspace. The bedroom is equally impressive with a queen-size bed, ample storage, and climate control for maximum comfort. The bathroom features a full shower, a porcelain toilet, and a vanity with LED lighting. Whether you're parked at a campsite or on the road, this motorhome provides the comfort of a high-end apartment. Technology-wise, the W900 Camper Motorhome is loaded with smart features. The touchscreen control panel lets you monitor everything from battery levels to climate settings. It also includes a premium surround sound system, satellite TV, and high-speed internet connectivity, so you're always connected no matter where your travels take you. On the road, the Kenworth W900 offers a surprisingly smooth ride, thanks to its advanced suspension system. The adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and 360-degree cameras add a layer of safety, making highway driving and parking much easier. Overall, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Camper Motorhome is the perfect blend of classic trucking power and modern luxury. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a full-time traveler, this rig is built to handle it all. Let us know in the comments, would you take this beast on a cross-country road trip? Thanks for watching Engine Explorer, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic vehicle reviews.